Good evening from here in London. So equities are looking to finish in some slight negative territory for the day. In terms of what we've seen, it has been relatively light. Two of the key events of note. Earlier we did see Fitch downgrade to a C from triple C, so that's a 3-notch downgrade from Fitch, and they did warn of a possible change in Greece's rating to default after the bond swap deal goes ahead, with the Greek finance minister coming out and saying this is expected to occur on March the 12th in terms of that bond swap. Elsewhere, in terms of US economic data, the existing home sales came in relatively weak, below the consensus. We also saw a sharp downward revision to December's data as well. So this did weigh on E-mini S&P, and we've also seen a bit of a boost in the 10-year future as well. Took out some buy stops to the upside, and that 10-year benchmark yield fell below the 2% level. In terms of this evening's auction, 5-year note auction was relatively solid, stopped through the screens by around half a basis point. The demand was pretty decent, if unspectacular. We did see a very slight move to the upside in the 5-year note future. That has been relatively muted since then. So we are just looking out for earnings from Hewlett-Packard aftermarket. That'll be one thing to keep an eye on, as well as the API inventories coming out tomorrow. One of the key events will be the German IFO data. Then out of the US and commodity data, we have the DOE inventories to look forward to tomorrow as well, and a 7-year note auction, which will be the final note auction of this week. That's it for us today. See you again tomorrow.